Hi Paul, there's your HyGain V. I've just been working on it. Now, I found there was noise getting onto the audio rail for the sideband before the sideband balance modulator. And I'll show you what I mean on this diagram here. Bit difficult to explain. Your microphone audio gets amplified through your main amp. Okay, that's your main audio amplifier. Now there's a path that runs up here. There's isolating transfer capacitor there, runs across. Where are we now? RV12. Now, right next to RV12 in the circuit, not the diagram, is your sideband oscillator circuit. Okay, so when sideband's activated, that's ringing away. Okay. When that gets activated, that's lower sideband, so it drags it down in frequency, up in frequency, depending on which mode you select. Okay, the main thing is that crystal ringing away on sideband quite merrily. However, because this pot is right next to the crystal in the circuit, okay, it was getting pickup. So there's noise so there's RF noise on your audio running through, and it should really have been choked by that, okay? But it's not, okay? It's running up, your audio is running up to, where the hell are we? There we go, pin 1 on your balanced modulator, which is that IC there, okay? So what I've done, this side on that rail right there, I've just fitted a 0.01 capacitor on this side as well, and that's reduced the noise right down to virtually nothing. There's been virtually no noise there at all. So at the moment I'm going to give, that's your microphone, okay, you hear the feedback. Let me just change hands, I might be able to do this. There's, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Yeah, it's feedback there, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, ignoring this feedback, obviously, because we're right next to the microphone. That's cleaned that right up. So, I'm going to play with the radio for a little while, a couple of days, and then I'll let you know how we got on. Alright, mate. Hopefully everything will be fine now. Cheers, buddy. Bye now.